Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram account. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Instagram application, and after that make sure that you're signed or logged in with your account. And now you can take a look on this button feature that Instagram have 5 sections on it. So to hide likes you need to visit your profile. And after that, you need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be like 3 straight lines right there. And then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to go visit the settings and privacy. And in this section, go slide down until you found here what you see. And now you can see that like and share counts here. And then you just need to go visit them and turn on the hide likes and share counts. And you're done. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I will see you for the next video.